Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is it 120, the final issue of building the Batmobile Tumbler. It's quite a complicated issue, so hopefully it'll go well, but we'll find out. There's not much to really look at in the magazine this time. We've got the origins of the Batcave, which has been explored in films a few times. There you go. Apparently it had a dinosaur in it. I'm not sure about that. There we go, that's obviously from the films. And then we have the index, all about the Batmobiles from all 120 issues, and Batman's history from all 120 issues. So that's all good stuff. And then we get on to the building. So in this issue, we've got some aerials to add on, which I'm happy they've left to last because they're very delicate, fine little things, which are only held in place with sticky tape. So we've got those to attach. 3 different aerials for the 3 different spoilers on there. Then we've got to finally fit the cockpit in, wire it in, play with the big thing that we've got, and yeah, there's a bit of how to wire it up and make it all work. So we'll figure out if that's going to work when we get to that bit. Lots of stuff to do, things to plug in, turn on, press buttons, and make sure, hopefully, that it works. The other thing we've got in this issue is the jack stands, or the twiddly base, which I'll use the twiddly base because it looks nicer than having the jack stands on it, because they look a bit rubbish when you've got it on that. That's lovely, but that's just a bit, yeah, don't like that so much. And this one, obviously, you can turn it around if you need to. So there we go. And then it just goes through what all the buttons do, which I already know because we tested it all, didn't we? So let me clear this out of the way and let's see about getting the aerials attached and then the cockpit attached. Right, so the parts we've got are the wire that I'm not using, the big plastic base cover with the cover. I've got the 5 screws ready for it as well, and that is obviously all fitting onto the thing that is immensely huge and heavy and difficult to move around. The underside here. So I can rest that down there. Yeah, there we go. So that is going on there like that. So you've just got the switch and batteries exposed there. Let me... Oh, you may have noticed I've got the wheels on now. All of the wheels are in there properly. So I've pulled out lots of screws. One should go through the middle. And then 4 more, 1 on each corner. Making sure, as it says, that the speaker is located in its little compartment now. And that's that. I can't find the other 2 screws, but they're down there somewhere. So they'll go in there, and that will be that. And then that top cover, which I've completely covered. We'll now cover over the batteries. Probably. There we go. Not quite lined up, but that's all right. Once I get that all tightened up, that will be that. And there we have it. All done and able to be turned on and off, but no other electronics exposed under there. So that's it. The underside is now completed. I shall leave it there. To next time on the final issue, we'll be doing little detail pieces and finishing off fitting the cockpit. It's going to be a fun one. I'm looking forward to that. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you think that the final issue is going to go smoothly or not. We'll see. So I'll see you for that soon. Bye bye for now.